In the final trade of the day, trader Mike Shorr, Prosper Trading Academy, joins us. Mike, the stock market fell, the treasury yields rose to start the trading week. What's going on?
A court's basically saying that the president is not allowed to unilaterally put out tariffs. So now, normally, and what you would think is that that would be bullish, right? That the tariffs are gone if this holds up, and that should be lifting to the markets, right? The perceived tax or the perceived cost on this end of the business cycle would be moving up. But all the tariffs that we've taken in, if this court case holds up, we have to give that money back. And so that means the Treasury has to come up with some way to either pay them back or they have to issue more bonds. That's going to push the yields up, which means bonds down, which means risk off due to uncertainty and maybe a rotation out of stocks and into just selling whatever you have because of the uncertainty. Even with that, I think that this is an overreaction. And so I'm looking for names that I liked before that are holding current support levels.
What stock do you like?
EA is holding up. So I'm looking at Electronic Arts, EA. It even in the early part of the week's market push down, it's still holding there. It's not getting smushed, technical term there, with the rest of the week, with the rest of the market. So what I'm looking at is I'd like to see us trade above 174.25. If we get above 174.25, and I do think that these markets are going to rebound once we get a little bit more clarity on what's going on with the tariffs, I think that this thing can actually lift up really nice. So you can do that with a call. I am targeting about the 181, 182 area.
Thanks for your trader talk, Mike.
All right. Well, thank you very much for having me.